We are at the BCIC Manufacturing Summit, where we are trying to look at and talk about productivity to prosperity. What is it which will lead and help India to move from its current status to a manufacturing powerhouse, or let's say a manufacturing contributor from a global perspective? A lot of deliberations, a lot of interactions and sharing of information. I think the key takeaway for everybody is how do we appropriately act on the data and the information that we already have, and do those most relevant things in a prioritized fashion, because while the time is right, the requirement is there, the demand is there, the policy etc. is falling in place. I believe it's all about executing an execution which we will have to get right, and for which a certain sense of discipline, ownership, and of course passion is needed. All in all, I think it was a good summit. The participants went out with a lot of takeaways, and looking forward to India with a strong manufacturing base. Thank you.
The second manufacturing award ceremony was extremely good. So we had a lot of information, sharing of information, and see how MSMEs can take all the companies forward and go towards the Atmanirbhar of 2047. BCIC did a very good job to bring all companies together, and we had a more than around 200 members here sharing informations. And we congratulate BCIC for this particular event and congratulate the manufacturing committee. And let's take it forward. And this is only a starting point. We'll have more and more activities in BCIC. And the management committee is doing a fantastic job in terms of sharing the information. And this is the area in which we should take it much forward. And it is possible by training, by the technology sharing, communication, and events like this will make India proud and take the manufacturing entire industry towards the taking more than Atmanirbhar in terms of the technology, in terms of the people movement, in terms of the, and award ceremony was one more excellent because we were able to encourage all the MSMEs to come forward in terms of digital, in terms of the manufacturing excellence, in terms of the making the factories of the future. Thank you and congratulations.
Yeah, I'm happy to be associated with BCIC in this second edition of this award ceremony. It's a very nice concept, and I'm happy that so many industries have participated in this, and they have done a great job in awarding the excellence in various fields. Thank you.
Yeah, my name is Jagannath. I'm very happy to be part of the BCIC event, the Manufacturing Excellence Awards for the second time. And it's great going, and the specialty of this has been across the bandwidth, right from the smallest manufacturer to the biggest manufacturer. Everybody has a chance to participate and present their developments, keeping manufacturing excellence, AI, and future readiness. So it's becoming really good and going great. We look forward for more and more participation in the coming years. Looking forward for a great time. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Raghu from Syntech India. It was a nice event, so we'll continue sponsoring for the future. Thank you.
I'd like to congratulate BCIC for organizing the event. I think it was a great success and looking forward to all the actions out of the event. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is Srinath from Advisor to Answer Robotics. This is my second edition where I am here in the Manufacturing Excellence Award of BCIC. Last year when it started, I was so excited that we have started recognizing manufacturing companies for their excellence journey, whether it's digital, whether it is TPM practices, manufacturing excellence practices. It's so important to recognize people and companies and the unsung heroes behind what our country needs. So it's so happy to be here for the second time. This is in a larger scale compared to what it was last year, and too glad to be part of this event as a speaker as well as a sponsor of the company that I advise. Thank you very much for having us here, and looking forward to more successful and more larger community gatherings in the future.
Yeah, good afternoon, and wonderful to be part of the BCIC Annual Manufacturing Summit. I think this year the topic on productivity and prosperity, with a focus on India, was just amazing. I'm also thankful to BCIC team for giving me the opportunity to moderate a very important panel discussion, which went through what we could do on technology, what we could do for MSME, what we could do on people skilling, and various other aspects. I thoroughly enjoyed being part of it. At the end, you know, what we believe in industry is bring in those rewards and recognize those companies and the people who have been demonstrating excellence in the activities of manufacturing operations. Once again, big thanks to the BCIC team, the organizing committee, Prakash San, Karthikeyan San, and everybody making this a grand event. Well done, BCIC. Thank you.
Thanks for visiting us this morning for the Bangalore Chamber of Commerce hosted Productivity and Prosperity in the Manufacturing Excellence Awards coupled function has been a great, wonderful event where we were able to kind of bring in a lot of different industry experts in one room and share their ideas and thoughts in a unified way. It has created a new mindset for many people to understand how we can take advantage of the knowledge that is available in one industry to cross pollinate to the other industry. The other one was to see what kind of emerging technologies that are available that can be embraced even by the small and medium segments. This industry event also created a kind of awareness about what kind of schemes that are made available under MSME, Government of India initiative, which means that the awareness, the knowledge, all put together in one single platform has been a very great, wonderful mind sharing session. The culmination of the event with an award is a kind of ice on the top of the cake, that what you can say in terms of getting a lot of companies participate actively in this event and demonstrating their ability in all three classified categories and winning the awards has been a very happiest moment for all of us. We wish that this event continues forever and creates a larger momentum of manufacturing economy. That is one of the requested by the Indian industries, that we need to grow faster pace than what we are doing today. I think I should thank Bangalore Chamber of Commerce giving us an opportunity to do this under the leadership of Prashant Gokhale and the team, and the Secretariat facilitated this function in a nice way, and we have been very happy to be part of this session. Thank you all.
So, greetings to all the members of the Manufacturing Committee, Bangalore Chamber of Industries and Commerce. Today conducted a manufacturing summit and a second edition of Manufacturing Excellence Awards. Bangalore Chamber of Industries and Commerce is a membership consisting of varieties of sectors, industries, manufacturing, which is spanning across aerospace, defense, automotive, general engineering. Beyond just manufacturing, I think even the agriculture, pharmaceutical. So, Bangalore Chambers has a wide spectrum and it is supporting their members, meeting their requirements in terms of government facilitation, supporting the member companies, making representation to the government. And today's session was one such occasion where we try to bring in the technology, the innovation and excellence together to drive productivity which leads to prosperity. I think today's context of the session was more to do with current challenges of geopolitical in nature. In spite of this, India is in a very inflection point, and BCIC, which is as the tagline says, it's gateway to future of India. Karnataka is a gateway to future of India. Karnataka has an excellent ecosystem of technology, innovation, manufacturing. And these kind of sessions actually brings partners, collaborators together to really take India towards Viksit Bharat using Make in India concept. And today's one of the session also was on the Manufacturing Excellence Awards. We have tried to actually set up these awards primarily to drive MSMEs out of their rooms to come forward and see, expose them towards various new technologies and give them the platform and a voice for them to actually demonstrate what they are capable of and what are the opportunities that exist. I'm sure going forward, every year we will continue to have this kind of conferences on various themes relevant to the Indian context and the global context. Wishing all the members the very best, and I would like to also thank Bangalore Chamber of Industries and Commerce, the office bearers, Prashant Gokhale, Ravi and Prashant Reddy, for providing us this opportunity to conduct this kind of a summit, and also the Secretariat, which has done a tremendous and excellent work in organizing this kind of a summit. Thank you.